name is Daniel S. March. I would like to welcome you as a valued client of the Litigation Practice Group. Thank you for trusting us as your law firm to assist you in resolving your debt. As the lead attorney for Litigation Practice Group, I take great pride in serving as your attorney throughout the process of eliminating your debt. I have practiced state and federal law for almost 40 years. In that time, I have developed an expertise in assisting individuals like you who are in need and deserve the best legal services to address and eliminate debt. Now, I would like to introduce you to the services we provide. As a full-service law firm, we will provide you with all available and lawful representation in connection with the disputes you have with your creditors. This process entails 3 phases. Initially, we will immediately serve notice to your creditors that you are represented by legal counsel and that all communication and correspondence must be directed to us as your attorneys. This will ensure that throughout the process of disputing your debts, your creditors will not be lawfully permitted to harass or intimidate you. And if they do, we will enforce all applicable laws by going after your creditors and, if necessary, file actions against them to force them to comply with and respect your rights and to possibly attain monetary judgments or awards. Secondly, for each of the debts you have entrusted us to handle, we will begin the process of enforcing your rights by demanding your creditors and the credit bureaus to comply with these rights in writing. In the course of disputing your debts, our goal, of course, is to eliminate your debt or as much as possible by proving that your creditors have failed to follow the regulations imposed by state and federal law. These laws include the Fair Credit Reporting Act and the Fair Debt Collection Practice Act. If necessary, we will initiate lawsuits against your creditors to enforce and protect your rights. Third, if you are sued at any point during the representation, we will vigorously represent you in court and appear as your attorney of record. We have a network of dedicated and experienced attorneys that work for the Litigation Practice Group in virtually every state. It is important to know that the fees you pay us will cover all court costs and attorney fees. You will never be asked to pay any additional fees or costs if you are sued, even if you are required to go to trial. It is our goal to make the litigation process as easy as possible. Throughout our representation, you have the absolute right to speak with one of our attorneys, to address them regarding any questions or issues you may have regarding the debts you have hired us to resolve. At any time you desire to speak with an attorney, you merely need to call and schedule a time, and one of our attorneys will contact you to discuss your particular issue. To be clear, you have hired Litigation Practice Group as your law firm, and the fees that you pay are for that sole purpose. We work for you and will do everything in our power to assist you and give meaning to the right that you have under federal and state law. For our law firm to provide the best and most efficient representation, please send any and all correspondence you receive regarding your debt to us by email, mail, or fax using the information included in your welcome packet. Thank you again for trusting us to serve you as your attorney. And do not hesitate to reach out if there's anything we can do to assist you.